Assalamualaikum and very good to everybody. So today we're gonna present about the case study 2. And my name is Muhammad Abdul Najwan.
Saya Narmata Palniapan.
And my name is Nafisri Betty Jeremy.
Alright, we have the case study 2. So it's for the introduction. The CE2 and RDS important. Based on the case study 2, Amazon Relation Database Service, Amazon RDS and Amazon EC2 is user managed their service, and we need to perform the difference between the Amazon RDS and Amazon EC2. Amazon RDS enable you to run fully fledged future relational database while offloading database administration. Whereas for more control and flexibility, EC2 will be better for the relational database. So we like to explore the difference between these two services by demonstrating AWS Elastic Computer Cloud EC2 is meant to duplicate the info center or service to experience as closely as possible at the middle of all the EC2 virtual service, known as the instant. But just like the local server room, we just describe EC2 provide a variety of tools to support other in charge your instance operation. The Amazon Electronic Database Service, or RDS, may not be managed database service that let you run electronic database system within the hub. RDS take care of fixing the database system, performing backup, ensure high availability, and patching the database software and the underlying OS. RDS also making it easy to get over database failure, restore data, and scale your database to realize the extent of performance and availability that your application require. So next.
So the next is differences. So the differences are, now I'm going to explain about the differences between Amazon EC2 and Amazon RDS. So the first is compatibility. On Amazon EC2 you have the ability to configure any database you choose. And on Amazon RDS it's got Amazon Aurora, Amazon Microsoft SQL Server, MariaDB, Oracle, and PostgreSQL. So next is backups. On Amazon EC2, we can set up our database to high availability, and on Amazon RDS, accessible relational database, it automatically launches a main DB instance and replicates the data to a standby database instance in a different availability zone. So the next is VPC, which means Visual Private Cloud. So on Amazon EC2, it's got a public subnet, and Amazon RDS got a private subnet. Next is administration. Amazon EC2 got full control over database, software stacks, and operation system. And Amazon RDS is easy to set up, cost effective, and focus on more important things. So the last one is scalability. On Amazon is EC2 setup such as architecture, which is availability group, shading, and more, manually with help of other EC2 instances and cargo balance. And on Amazon RDS, scaling up your database using Amazon RDS. Add replicates to realize this. It allows you to quickly establish read replicates and synchronous replications across availability zones for improved performance, availability, and steadiness. So that's the difference between Amazon E2C and RDS. Next slide. Next slide. So the next is advantages and disadvantages between Amazon EC2 and Amazon RDS. So the first is advantages of Amazon EC2 is it cost lowly and instant variety and easy to set up. And the disadvantages of EC2 is autoscaling is complex and easy to forget in instances. Networking can be confusing. And the Amazon RDS, the advantages of it is easy development, no hardware maintenance needed. And the next is simplified scaling in comparison to on-premise databases. So the disadvantages of Amazon RDS is patching forces a downtime, no auto-time partition management, and the lastly is no root access to the service. So that is the advantages and disadvantages of Amazon EC2 and RDS.
Okay, thank you, Namata. For conclusion, is Amazon features a sort of service that is very useful in cloud computing today, like EC2 provides scalable computing capacity, while RDS, on the other hand, supports an array of database engines to store and organize data. Except that the service has its own shortcomings. That is, for EC2, it's difficult to offer an off-the-cuff estimate for a way much specific EC2 setup cost. Amazon Web Service (AWS) is one among the foremost secure cloud service platforms that provide business with scalability, database storage, computer power, and other functions to assist them grow. Okay, thank you.
Right, thank you.